Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we as a group 2 want to present about the livelihood and development of pest population. Before that, let me introduce myself first. I'm Umaira with the last student number 274 and my friend Iqbal Sohil Jamil with the last student number 273. The topic to be discussed are factor affecting, cause of explosion, and observation.
The health and development of plant pests is influenced by internal factors owned by the type of pest itself and external factor, namely environmental condition, where pests carry out their activities. External factor and environmental condition can affect the life of plant pests. Pest population are dynamic. This number can go up, down, or stay balanced, depending on environmental condition. When the environmental conditions are suitable and pest population grow rapidly. External factor effect, the life health and development of pest population include climate, plant, host plant, and biological factor. There are several climate influence. Number one, humidity. Humidity is a big influence on the mean of pests. When the humidity in the according with the need of the insect life, the insect tends to be resistant to extreme temperature. The attack activity is also affected by humidity. Greenhouse pests can only attack if the moisture content of rice or corn in above 14%. It will report that normally at humidity above 70%. Number two, effect of rainfall. Water is a primary need for everything creature. Likewise, for agriculture crop pests, if there is too much water, it will have an adverse effect on the proliferation and growth of pest organisms. Some pests such as cabbage, leaf, caterpillar, and mites cannot tolerate heavy rainfall, so that is such circumstances the population will disrupt.
Number 3 is effect of light. Light is one of the ecological factors that has a big influence on the life of plant pests. Some types of pests have a positive reaction to light. For example, walang sangit is attracted to light at night. There are some pests that are active when there is no light or at night, such as rats and earthworms. Number 4, wind influence. Wind affect the development of pests, especially in the process of spreading plant pests. For example, aphid can fly in the wind as far as 1,300 kilometers. Jumping flea, its distribution is influenced by the wind. As was the case in 1986, there was an eruption of pests of Lamtoro Gung flies in a large area in relatively short time.
Land, soil structure, and moisture have a big influence on pest life. Loose structures, soil with high organic matter content, and adequate moisture can support the development of pests that live all or part of the life in the soil. For example, wood locust and nail lay their egg in loose soil. As room for the formation of pupa and hiding during the day need loose soil. The Draconus beetle, the pincer beetle, and the clemental beetle, some of which alive in most soil and contain lots of organic matter. House plant. House plants are the plants that provide food and shelter for pest organisms. When the preferred plant is present in large number, the pest population quickly increases. On the other hand, if they are not enough food, the pest population will distress. In the dry season, or when there is no rice crop, until the next season, the red population is lost rapidly to 70%.
Biological factor. The principle of biological factor is organisms that are in the pest environment. Biological factor can be in the form of animal, bacteria, fungi, and viruses that inhibit the proliferation of plant pests because they eat them. Parasitism become pests or compete for food and living space. Animals that kill and eat other animals are called predator. While the animals they eat are called prey, predators are usually larger than their prey. There are many kinds of pest predator. Internal factors that affect the livelihood and development of pest population include 1. Breeding ability. The ability to reproduce each pest is different. The level of breeding ability is influenced by the speed of reproduction and sex ratio. The faster the pest breed, the higher the ability to reproduce. The sex ratio of animal is generally 1:1. The speed of reproduction is again influenced by personality and developmental time frame. Personality is the magnitude of the ability of a pest species to give birth to new offspring, while the development period is the time required for development from birth of or egg release until sexual maturity.
Self-defense. Plant pests have a tool and ability to defend themselves against other organisms in the vicinity. They are first from of defense. Some are in the form of sharp tire, shapes, fashion, smell, or color that are similar although red daylight. Example for several types of pests with their means to defend. The background make the back as a place to hide. If this disturbed, he will immediately close the door of the back and hide it. Walang sangit Emily up unpleasant odor.
Age of imago. The age of imago affects the increase in the pest population. The longer the age of the female imago, the more opportunities to lay eggs. If the environmental conditions are favorable, the imago can reach its maximum age. The age range of the imago for several types of pests is as follows. Beetle Cytopilus sp. 3 until 5 months. Walang sangit 21 until 150 days. Cricket 50 until 30 days. Green ladybug 5 until 47 days. Cause of the pest population explosion include 1. Moving plants to different climate, plant breeding result, reduce genetic diversity, planting distance, continuous planting, soil nutrient, planting time, association between plant and pest pesticides that change plant physiology.
Part 3. Observation. Integrated Pest Management, or IPM, is an integrated agriculture management program by taking into account ecological, economic, and culture aspects. The basic concept of IPM is to use knowledge of the biology, fiber, and ecology of pests in the implement an integrated set of year-round tactics that suppress and reduce their population. This approach considers tactics to suppress or avoid pests, track out the from and beyond, and tactic the main beneficial pests and insert population in crops, including the responsible use of insecticide.
That's all we can say. If you have something to ask, please ask in the comment column. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.